You ready? I know you are very strong. As strong as your mother. Do not let anybody bully you.
Yes, mother.
Adama, don't let any child bully you. If anybody tries you, stand firm and fight back.
Yes, mother.
Do you understand?
Yes, mother.
Don't take chances.
Okay.
Be careful and make sure you come back on time. Alright?
Okay, mother.
Go well, man.
You're back?
Yes, my love.
Okay. What did you make?
Here is it.
I mean, what did you make from the farm work you went to do?
This is the money.
Yeah? This is what you made?
Yes.
What nonsense is this?
Ego.
This is what you made?
Yes, my love.
Anna, you went to do farm work since morning and you came back with this rubbish. Why are you this useless? Eh? Why can't you do one single thing right? How long do you think this rubbish you brought back now will last us for?
My love, I tried my best as a man. I really work hard.
You really work hard? You tried your best as a man. Are you a man? You're a coward. That's what you are. You're back now. You have come back to eat, Akwe?
I can't kill myself.
You're a very foolish person. Why will you kill yourself? Go and eat. If you like, finish it. Don't remain for me and my daughter. Go and finish the food. Okay. Yes. Useless man. You cannot do one single thing straight. You cannot get anything right. Since you have tried your best.
It's Rabu.
She walks with grace, every step a perfect face. The
Useless man.
She's so
come out and ask me a question now.
They cry. They don't know it's all a lie.
Come and buy your vegetables. Fresh vegetables. Come and buy vegetables. Fresh vegetables.
In her game. Oh, she is a tigress. Yes, she is so fearless. But she is deceitful. No one dares to know. No one dares to know. She is a tigress. Oh, she is so fearless. But she is deceitful. No one dares to know. No one dares to know. One day the truth might come to light when shadows no longer fight. Oh yeah.
Huh? This food is very small. Nia berempe. No for agua fubola. Nia berempe. Hey. Huh? It won't be enough for me, self. Once my wife is back, I'll see any other. She will prepare another food. Is she the one? Ha!
As the young mothers of this community, I think we should take the responsibility of cleaning the Ngene River. Not always wait for the older women who are already tired to do that for us. We should be the ones to do them.
You are
do you understand?
You are right. And I totally agree with you, Chimundu.
Thank you. That's a brilliant idea.
Yes. So should we stick to the days or change them?
I think it's best we clean it every first day of the week. Just as we usually clean our community every first day of the week.
All right.
That goes.
Yeah. Perfect. Very good. Women, please, as you get home today, kindly inform those of us that are not here.
I hope we agree on a fair file. For those who might not always want to attend.
Uloma. I know you're asking so you can skip as usual.
Dabere, respect yourself. Don't talk to me in that manner.
You do too much. After cleaning the river now, you'll be the first person to go there to fetch water. Mana puta ke fichaya. You will not come.
Dabere, I'm warning you. I'm warning you, Dabere. Respect yourself.
Can we all calm down? Can we have this meeting in peace and not fight? Must we fight? Please, let's do this in peace and go home. Must we fight?
What nonsense is this? She needs to come out and clean the river. If each and every one of us puts money for some to be at home and for some people to be in the river, then who will clean it? Nobody cares about your money. Hold it and just bring yourself and join us in the cleaning.
Simple. Dabere is okay. It's enough. Mama, that is it. Anayo! Anayo!
My love. Hey, don't be there. My beautiful wife.
What happened to the food I left in the pot?
Cool.
What happened to... I am asking you a question, Isim. Hey, where is the food I left in the pot? Where is it?
I have finished it.
You finished everything.
Hey.
Eh? Iwonoshi.
Hey.
You finished everything. You're a very selfish man. What do you want me to eat now? What do you want me and another man to eat? What?
My love, I was thinking you were going to cook another food.
Thinking I was going to cook what?
No.
Eh? You are a very stupid and selfish father.
Sorry.
What do you expect me and my daughter to eat? What?
I was thinking you were going to prepare another one.
Eh? You work very little, but you eat like a thief. You will vomit that food today. Very good, man. Why did you not prepare something for us to eat?
No,
why did you not prepare something for us to eat?
It's a mistake,
Go
man.
down, go down, go down.
Chibundu has been incredibly contributory to the community. Yeah? Her ideas has always been helpful, like so helpful.
Yes. She's truly wonderful. Yes.
Ekemma, are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. Just a little bit tired, I suppose.
All right then. I need to go see Ezinne to get some palm oil.
Okay, I'll catch up with you later, okay?
Ekemma. Hey. Ekemma. 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 Ekemma, Biko. Please.
What happened to you?
Easy. Hey.
What happened to you?
Ekemma, please help me. Help me, oh. My waist.
Wait, let me get something.
Ibanugo, if I set my eyes on you. Ibanugo, you did this to me. Hey, whoa. Ibanugo, Nwaokaka, Ibanugo, you did this to me. Hey!
It's okay. Calm down.
Look at this bone.
Just relax, okay? This will help absorb the pains.
Hey! Ibanugo, you are very wicked. You did this to me, Ibanugo. Hey!
Sorry.
Hey!
Calm down.
Ewo! Hey!
Calm down. You'll be fine.
Take it easy, Ekemma, why you finished the remaining bone, Ekemma. Hey! I don't go. Hey, Ibanugo, you did this to me, oh. Hey, whoa. Hey.
So how do you feel now?
I'm getting better. Take this money.
Anayo, please keep your money.
Mba. It's for your services. Take it.
I don't want to collect it, Anayo. You've been coming to me for treatment. That's the third time this week you're coming. We all know how things are hard. Anayo, just use the money for something else. I'm just glad to help.
I understand. And I sincerely appreciate. But I insist you have to take this money. Take it.
If you must. But please, Anayo, you have to stop fighting with that man. If he's insisting on taking your land, then you have to inform the elders before things get worse.
Okay. Dodi, I will consider your advice. Meanwhile, I sincerely appreciate. Huh?
It's okay.
Kodiba.
Easy.
Okay.
Oh, she is so fearless, but she is deceitful. No one dares to know. No one dares to know.
Chibundu, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
So, the last time your husband was at my place, he complained about being hot in a fight over a land. How is he now?
He's fine. He's getting better.
Okay. Sorry, Chibundu. Is there no way you people can resolve this issue about this land?
The man is always fighting your husband. There is no way we can resolve it. They will continue to fight till that man gets tired. Don't give your advice.
But your husband is the person always getting hot. Every time he comes to my place with wounds all over his body.
If he comes to your place, treat him and collect your money. Inigo, don't bother me. Don't bother me.
Yes, she is so fearless.
Hey.
But she is deceitful. No one dares to know. No one dares to know. She is a tigress.
Adama, we know why you take it easy. Take it easy. Wait. Hi.
Mama, sorry. Let me just...
Small, take it easy. Take it easy, Adama. Eat. Oh, wait. Take it easy. Speak to me.
Mother, do you feel better now?
A little bit better. You're still hot.
Why does father keep tormenting you?
Mom, I don't know. You need to see the way he was pushing me around, hitting my leg with a very big stone. He wants to kill me.
Mother, don't worry. I'll always be by your side. And I'll never be his friend. He's a wicked man.
Yes. Thank you.
Sorry. Let me take the calabash inside.
Adam, is your mother inside? Adam, one. Adam, is your mother inside? Ada?
Don't touch me!
Is your mother inside?
What has my mother done to deserve this treatment, Anayo? Eh? Do you want to kill my mother?
Me? I am innocent. Eh? Me kill your mother. Ada?
Oh, you don't know. You injured her leg. It's not fair. You're supposed to be a good father to us. It's not fair. You're a wicked man. You want to kill my mother.
Hey! Moi. Nne. Anayo. Ha! Has it gotten to this? Hey, leave me! What is this? Hey! Come on! What is your problem? Huh? What is your problem? What is your problem? Huh? I am your husband. So allow me to perform my duty as a man. Not just a man, you are husband. Go inside and lie down. Let me perform my job.
My husband?
Yes.
You?
Yes.
So Abondi did put now, you will jump out?
Yes.
If they ask husband now to come out, you will come out?
I want to move you. I will come out.
Okay, wait. I want to perform your duty.
Yes.
Wait and perform.
Why? What is the problem? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Allow me to do my job as a husband. I want to do my job.
Okay, wait now.
Yes.
What will be your work?
I want to do my job.
What will be your job?
Go inside and lie down. Go inside and lie down. Let me do my job. Go inside. Go inside. Hey!
What?
Hey!
You will die in this house.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Stop that!
Hey!
You are stupid.
Oh, yes. I'm not doing it again. Don't worry, you are the husband. You are the husband.
You are very fish person. This one is not. Anayo!
My love.
What is keeping you there now? Come out!
Okay, Obi, I'm coming. I am coming home.
Don't waste my time. I don't want to start shouting like a mad woman this early morning. Come out. Don't provoke me.
Oh. Oh, yo. Let's go.
Come back here. Were you expecting me to carry this? Eh? You're a very, very foolish man. Come on, carry it. Let me get to that farm before you. Useless man. Don't waste my time.
Okay.
Anayo. Anayo.
Yes, my love.
Come here.
My love, you can't.
Massage my leg for me, it hurts.
Okay. Let me just finish that last portion so that we can go home together.
Are you deaf? Don't make me repeat myself again. Massage my leg, I said let me finish the last one. Do you want to break my leg?
Bow.
No, break it. You are squeezing it. Break the leg.
Mba.
Are you frowning?
No.
What is funny?
Mba, hold on. Sorry.
You're a very foolish person. Sorry for yourself.
Thank you.
Leave it.
Yeah, sorry.
Come back and my things, let's go. Because what is it?
Hey, Scorpio. I'll be a balam.
Hi, Scorpio.
Yes.
Where?
Here. Hey. Oh. Aye! Happy.
Well, carry the firewood, let's go.
Hey, my love. Want to help me and carry this firewood, please? I'll be able to go.
Why? Ordinary Scorpio. Eh? Is that why you're behaving like a baby? Let's carry this and let's go. If I get home before you will see the other side of me.
Okay.
Foolish man.
Okay. My love, we go now. Go to the basket. Hey. Oh.
She walks with grace, every step a perfect face. The whisper, oh, she's so kind.
What is keeping you there now?
Hello, I'm coming home.
Lazy man.
This leg is still paining me. Huh?
Go and make food for us to eat. I'm very hungry. Adama will soon be back.
You say?
Into your chirigi.
Mbao.
I said, go and make something for us to eat. I am hungry.
Oh, my love. Will not be a better. Huh? How can I cook with a scorpion sting? Huh?
It is just a scorpion sting. Are you the first person to be stung by a scorpion?
Mba.
Don't make me angry. If I go inside and come out and you're still here, I will deal with you. Go and make that food.
I will.
Useless man.
But she is deceitful. No one dares to know. No one dares to know.
Hey! 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 Take it easy. Ah! Happy memory. Hey. Scorpion, no. Hey.
Relax. This will help. To help with the scorpion sting. You'll be fine.
Take it easy. On Adomado inside. Hey.
Just let it dry on it.
Hey. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hey.
I find it hard to believe the story Anayo told about the man who drags his land with him, causing him constant injury. If that was true, he would have gone to the elders to resolve it. Could it be something else entirely? That woman is so manipulative. I feel it so strong in my spirit that Anayo is actually the one going through hell. Well, I'm sure sooner or later the truth will come to light.
Please wait. Anayo, wait.
Don't touch me.
Anayo.
What is it?
Anayo.
Don't touch me.
Anayo, you seem troubled. Eh? Anayo, I care about you so much. If you ever need anyone to talk to, Anayo, I'm here. If you ever need a shoulder to lean on, I can offer mine.
Ekemma,
Anayo.
are you aware that I am a happily married man and I love my wife so much?
Anayo, being married can never stop me from offering help. Anayo, you need to be happy. You deserve to be happy. I just want you to be happy.
Thank you so much for your concern. I will be on my way home now. I don't want my lovely wife to meet me here.
Anayo.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
If you ever need someone to talk to, I'll be here. Goodbye, Anayo.
Anna, you pound this like a human being. Eh? Pound it very well. What are you doing? When the food is ready, now like elephants. Now it's time to do the job. Don't get me angry.
Sorry.
Lazy man.
My love, please, I need to be at the men's meeting. You know, I am one of the heads. If I arrive late, they will find me. And it's not good.
You are not going anywhere until you finish pounding this yam.
Hey.
Do you understand? You will pound it very smoothly. Okay. Me, I have a meeting to attend to, but we will finish this food before we leave this house. Also, I'm one of the heads of men. Useless man. Pound this yam house. I'm watching it now.
Sorry.
Big for nothing. Balance here. You won't think about me. You won't think about your child.
No.
So who give me?
No.
Concentrate and do it very well.
Okay. Oh, subola mi out. Subola mi.
Okay, why are you so happy? My dear, come closer. See, you know, Chibundu has been doing a lot lately in this community.
Yes, she's involved in almost everything.
Exactly. She has earned a lot of respect and love of many, including the women. Unlike Uloma, who hardly contributes to anything. I was actually thinking of going to get Chibundu. Let's go fetch her so we can attend the meeting together.
Okay, but that's if we're not going to get there late.
We won't. And even if we do, no one will find us once they see us with Chibundu.
Okay then, let's go straight to Chibundu's house.
Alright.
She treats him like he's nobody. She holds the key to everything. Yet she never change. Oh, how the pity, how they cry.
My love,
They don't know it's all a lie. Behind them.
Did you pound the pepper that I asked you to pound or not? Or some
My love.
You're a very foolish man. You're a very foolish man. Why did you not pound the pepper that I asked you to pound? Why?
My love, I just finished.
Why? Why did you not pound it?
I just finished pounding the yam the way you instructed me to do. Go sir, when it gets to
And
me,
the pepper. And the pepper. And the pepper, Nko.
My love, please.
Why did you not pound it? Why did you want to go out? I go now. Come on, go! Ow! 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 Ow!
Chibundu, what happened?
Eh? What did I do to you now? What did I do to you?
What's going on?
Why are you maltreating me like this? What have I done to you? Why did you push me? Yesterday you broke my leg. Now my hand.
Bow. No.
This is totally unacceptable. In fact, I will report this to the men and women of this community. Anayo, you will pay dearly for this. Chibundu does not deserve this kind of a thing now. At all.
That's why he does every day. He keeps hitting me. Yesterday he broke my leg, now my ankle. What have I done to you? What have I done to you?
I did not do anything. I did not touch her.
Why are you lying now? Why are you lying? Oh, yeah, I swear that you did not touch me. And I also swear that you did not touch me.
It's okay.
And are you not going to swear? Did you see that?
It's okay.
He cannot even swear.
It's okay, Chibundu.
I didn't do anything to him. This is how he beats me every day. Every day.
Don't worry. I've seen everything for myself. The women will handle this.
Thank you. Thank you.
Nkem, wait now, Nkem.
Diala. Anna, you will go and come back and meet me in this house. Useless man.
Nkemji, slow down now, slow down.
No!
Joe.
I'm going to report this immediately.
Why are you running?
Chibundu is a philanthropist. And a hard-working woman. One of the most powerful women in this village. She shouldn't be reduced to nothing by her so-called husband.
How are you so sure Anaya is beating her that badly?
Did you not see her crying? She told us everything. You were there. I must report this to the women. You see, Anayo, he will be dealt with. Thank the gods we went there and saw her like that. Who knows how long she must have been suffering this humiliation? Please, I'm leaving.
Okay, wait.
Mother, is there anything that can be done about father? He's constantly humiliating you.
Adama, what can we do if not to endure?
Mother, how long are you going to endure this torture? How long?
Adama, I feel better. Just carry the vegetables to the market and see if you can sell them. Okay?
Are you sure you're okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Be careful. Come back soon. Come back soon.
One day the truth might come to light when shadows no longer fight. Oh yes, the truth
Anayo has been
will
maltreating his
show.
wife, Chibundu. And he has to be dealt with.
Hold on, please. Let's not act in a haste. Yes, please. I mean, we have to understand the situation before taking any decision. It's a couple we are talking about here.
Ekemma.
What?
We were both there and we heard what she said to us. That woman has endured too much already from the look of things. So we have to act fast.
How do you want us to act? Yes, how do you want us to act? Justice for Chibundu is alright.
Yes.
But it must be fair. Please, let us hear from both sides before making any decision.
My fellow women, it's okay. I think we should send him a warning note. If he doesn't listen after that, I may hear kwesịrị ime.
Bam! Okwu gị kwụ ọtọ nne.
It's okay.
Thank you.
I accept.
Better, you accept.
Adama. Adama, what is it? Why are you crying? What are you doing here? What's the matter?
It's my father. He's always maltreating my mother.
Are you sure he maltreats her?
Yes.
Okay, tell me something. Have you heard them argue or fight? Whose voice is usually louder?
It's my mother. It's because my father always makes her upset.
Okay, stop crying, yeah? Cheer up, don't worry, everything will be fine. Stop crying, my girl. So where are you headed?
To the market.
Don't cry again, okay? You're a good girl.
But she is deceitful. No one dares to know. No one dares to know. She is a tigress.
Chibundo, we've heard how your husband maltreats you. Who knows how long this has been going on? The women are here to say enough is enough. We are taking this upon ourselves to address this issue. But ultimately, you know where it hurts and how deep it hurts. If you can't endure it, then leave. Don't let yourself suffer or lose yourself in this marriage.
Yes, Chibundo, the women of Eziama do not support an abusive relationship or marriage. If it's becoming unbearable, then you should leave.
Thank you so much, women of Eziama.
I really appreciate it. Please stop crying.
Ebezina, your father will not go unpunished. You are a good woman. And we won't let a man treat you like trash.
Thank you.
That man will not go unpunished. Let's go.
Come on, let's go.
Udodiwa, beautiful women of Eziama Kingdom. To what do I owe this?
Information reaching us is that you have turned one of us into a combat partner.
Yes.
Shush! I don't want to hear anything that you have to say.
It's alright.
All we ask is you desist from torturing Chibundo. Else, you will not like our next visit.
Okay. I have heard all you said. There's no problem.
One more complaint from your wife. You will answer to us greatly.
Udodi.
A word is enough for the wise. Okay. Women, let's go.
In the village, she walks with grace, every step a perfect face. The whisper, oh, she's so kind.
Anayo, wait. Anayo, see, I know you're not guilty of the accusations. And I know reverse might be the case.
How do you even know that reverse may be the case? Please, stay away from me. Leave me alone.
Anayo.
Hey! Emetuwaramaka, don't touch me.
Okay. See, Anayo, you're a very kind man. Anayo, you don't deserve to be treated like this. Trust me.
I said, don't touch me. I will continue my journey to the men's meeting. Don't,
It's so fearless, but she is too deceitful. No one dares to know. No one dares to know. One day the truth might come to light when shadows no longer fight. Oh yes, the truth will show. She treats him like he's nobody. She holds the key to everything.
Try. Poor child. I imagine how she feels growing up in a toxic home. I just hope it doesn't affect her future though.
I will tell my siblings to stay away from her. It's clear she's a tigress. A woman who beats her husband is an abomination.
The fact that you don't even put this girl into consideration is killing me. I can't deal. I can't imagine my own child going through this pain because of I am my husband.
Is that how they see us now? A torn apart family and an avoided family.
Oh.
Please lie here. Anna, why are you lying down like this? Eh? Why are you lying here like this? Huh?
Oh, he's after me.
Hey!
He's after me.
Anayo, how could you have gotten yourself drunk this way? Eh? Where did you drink? Anayo, where have you been?
I am coming back from home.
Did you travel?
Coming back from home.
Coming back from which home? Huh? How could you? Come. Wait, come.
Come where?
Come. Stand up. Sit up. Sit. What is wrong with you? Where did you drink? Like this. How could you got yourself drunk this way? Just stand up. You know, let's reach that home you are coming from.
Okay.
You are too big, oh.
I must say, my wife is a very useless wife sometimes. You understand?
Who is there?
Even as useless as she is, could you believe that I love her?
Anayo.
I love her.
Good afternoon, Chibundo. I brought your husband home.
Yes.
He had too much to drink.
Too much?
I saw him lying by the roadside, so I decided to bring him. Huh?
Take him inside.
Yes. Take him inside. Take him. I'll deal with him. Take him.
Anayo.
Eh?
Okay.
Are we inside? Yes. Hey, let me sleep here.
Almost inside. Careful.
Okay. Hey.
Lie down here. Eh?
Okay.
Yes, lie down. Lie down well.
Okay.
Sleep well. Eh?
Okay, good morning. Good morning. If we lose, I tell her to come back here now. Slap her.
I have to go now. Huh? Just take care of him.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Come on, go on for a fool. Ew. Hey. Oh, yeah. Oh. I go, what's up? I go on. Hey. My love for Okereke. Eh? Chibundo Okereke. It's too early now. My love. Hey! Hey! Chijindom. I am really sorry for everything that happened. Biko, I want us to stop this fighting and quarreling. I just want us to be living happily the way we did on our first 1 year of marriage. Biko, please, forgive me for everything. I am tired of this quarreling, fighting over every little thing. Biko, the way you are beating me is getting out of hand. Sorry. I really love you from the depth of my heart. Please. I love you, my beautiful wife.
Is it not your fault that we're always fighting?
I know.
Isn't it your fault?
It's mine. But I am really sorry. And I promise you, it will never happen again. Biko, look at this gift I bought them for you. Biko, will be there. You know that I love you so much. There is no me without you. Please. Biko, forgive me. It's all my fault, Biko. My love. Please, smile now. What's her name? Smile.
Are you going to force me to smile?
Wow. I'm just begging.
Thank you.
Okay. You like it, right?
Right now I hurt you deep inside with every word and tear.
I don't want. Please come and sit.
I pushed you away time after time. The blame you for words was never your crime. I was so blind, lost in my pride.
Ada?
I never saw the pain I made you hide. And now I see the damage I have caused. I'm asking for your love, despite my flaws.
Mother, please, can we always be like this?
Yes. We will. I will.
I plead your mercy, but for all the things I've done to you.
Your fellow men are out there trying to make ends meet and you're here sleeping. By this time!
Hey!
Cow. Choose lesson. Come and sleep. You want to sleep? Come and sleep. Idiot.
Mother, you said father has gone to the river to wash our clothes again, right?
Yes.
But I hardly see other men doing that. But are you okay?
I'm water.
Sorry. Sorry. So I was saying, why?
Emma, please. You cannot be talking too much while you're eating. So that you will not choke like I just did. Okay? We'll talk when we're done.
You're washing your wife's linen, a man like you, when you should be on your farmland. So this is an abomination. I can't believe this. Hey! Anayo! This is an abomination.
Ekemma, as you can see, I am not in the mood to answer you. I am busy washing my beautiful wife's clothes.
Anna, you're busy doing what?
Is it your business? And what is wrong with me helping my wife when she's busy?
Anna, your wife is busy doing what? I want to know. No, answer me. I want to understand it.
Obasaram,
because this is a woman's job. Your mates, men, are on their farmlands working, and you're here washing your wife's clothes.
You are not serious. I'm glad I'm even done. Let me wash my face.
Come and take it. Oh, come.
Yeah? Hey, abomination. My wife will kill me. Ekemma, come here. Ekemma, don't try me. Ekemma. What is the meaning of this?
Meaning of what?
Huh? Look, stop this nonsense and hand me my lovely wife's wrapper.
No, I won't. Men of Eziama are capable and masculine, not some toys or woman wrapper.
Can you stop this madness and let me have that wrapper now?
Anayo, you're losing yourself. Can't you see it? You're gradually losing yourself.
It's none of your business. Let me have my wife's wrapper now and stay away from my family, my wife, and everything that has to do with me. Please, let me have that wrapper now, please.
Anayo, I care about you. It hurts me to see that you're not being the man that you're meant to be.
Oh, Basaragi?
Yes.
Is it your business?
Basaram. I don't understand it. You're losing yourself.
Basaragi,
See. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, Ekemma.
What took you so long?
Obi there, Pico, please. As I was coming back from the river where I went to wash this clothes, I fell down. So I have to go back and wash the clothes.
And so? Is that why you're back this late?
Pico, I am sorry.
Undo for what? I am asking you a simple question. Is it Undo? Why are you saying Undo? I am asking you. Why are you back by this time? You don't want to talk.
I'm sorry.
Why are you back by this time? Why are you back by this time? Why are you back by this time?
I knew you were the one humiliating the night. Yes, why? It's bad enough that you sent him to wash your clothes and now you flog him like a child? How dare you? Why are you torturing him? Why?
What nonsense are you talking about?
Let this be the last time you will lay your hands on Anayo. He's too good for this.
Just wait. Are you talking about my own husband, Anayo, or someone else?
I don't care who he is to you. Stop torturing him. Let this be the last time I will warn you. Are you? How dare you? Are you mad? That? Are you mad?
Did you slap me? Did you raise your filthy fingers to my face?
I will slap you again and again if you try this nonsense.
Wait for me. Wait for me!
Hey, Ekemma, who sent you? Eh? Did I ask you to come here? I was enjoying that game peacefully.
Look at what you're doing to yourself.
Oh! I'm sorry. My love, please. I am sorry, please. My love. Oh, Ekemma. Ekemma shall not be well with you. Oh, my love, please. Hey, I'm Nobi. I'm managing William. Hey, I'm sorry, please. I am sorry.
Your mistress. Your mistress had the guts to come to my own hut to confront me.
She even slapped me and you sat there and did nothing.
Forgive me.
And I will go to her hut and you will teach her a lesson. Come and get back on your knees.
No.
But before then, I will deal with you.
Hey.
Like that.
Okay.
Your face down.
Okay.
Remove your face.
So
your stupid mistress came to my house to insult. I can't do anything about it. If you stand up again, you think I'm bluffing? You think I'm bluffing?
When shadows no longer fight, oh yes, the truth will show. She treats him like.
Stay here. Stand here.
Leave me alone!
Stand here.
You had the guts, the effrontery to come to my heart and slapped me. How? Beat her up.
No, come on, go down. Go down!
I said beat her up.
Okay.
Anayo! Beat her up!
Come, give me
Anayo!
my love.
Beat her up! Okay. Don't waste my time.
Okay.
Beat her up! Beat her up! I said you should beat her up! You know what to beat her?
I will beat her.
Beat her! Beat her up! Anayo! Anayo! How many times did I call you? Beat her up! Anayo, beat her up! Beat her up!
Chibundo here sent her husband to attack me. She sent him to beat me up. Just look at my body.
This woman here, Ekemma, is my husband's mistress.
Yes, oh.
Yes. Chibundo. Chibundo what?
Chibundo. It's a lie. Hey. It's a lie. Chibundo is always humiliating Anayo. Sending him on an errand. And always...
But how is that your concern? How is it your concern? How is it your business? My own husband. Are you Anayo's mistress or not?
Listen.
Answer now. I say listen.
Listen.
Ekemma. You what?
Hey!
So of all the men come on, talk. No wonder. Oh no, she is her husband. Hold your husband tight. Because
husband snatcher.
Anayo! My beautiful Obidia. You are back.
How dare you?
Am I doing my...
On your knees. Kneel down!
Hey, go.
If you move an inch,
okay,
I will destroy you.
I will never. No. Hey, whatever coming this time. Hey.
So.
Hey.
You now have a mistress.
Mbao.
Ekemma is now your mistress.
May the gods forbid.
I am no longer enough for you.
Mbagwa.
Go flat. Lie down flat.
Okay.
Don't waste my time.
Okay.
You're a very useless man.
Thank you.
Each your second wife.
No.
Is that not it?
Mba.
You want a You want a second wife? You want a second wife? Foolish man! You're useless.
Thank you.
You want a second wife? That's what you want to. Why are you born? That's what you want. man! You should have said it on time that if you raise your head, again, I will destroy you. You don't deserve my love. You don't.
Okongwu, I want you to stay away from your late brother's land. That land belongs to his wife. So, stay clear from that land. She has been complaining the way you have been tormenting her, talking to her anyhow. I am telling you now to your face to stay away from that land. I don't want to see you there again. Huh? Very simple.
Anayo.
Okongwu.
Anayo, I will do it, yo.
The second.
Anayo, are you challenging me?
Why wouldn't I challenge you? No, Okongwu, who are you that I will not challenge you? Who are you? No, look at me. Who is Okongwu? I am challenging you because I know very well you can't do me anything. Who are you?
Anayo, sit down. Okongwu, sit down. All this noise will not settle anything. They have never and will never resolve issues such as this.
And that is why I am telling him to his face to stay away from that land. Simple.
Anayo, if you don't take your time,
you can't do anything. Enough! Enough of this. I can see this matter is getting out of hand. It has gotten to I will deal with you, I will not deal with you. You cannot do anything, you can do something. See, if we can't settle this matter here peacefully, then let's take it to the way.
I think that is the best thing to do. Let's take it to the king, since both of them won't listen.
I would prefer we settle it here. Let us fight.
Anayo, is it me you are pushing?
No, go, I want us to fight. See, Okongwu, you have no case with Anayo. It is even you that will prefer that we settle it here instead of going to the Igwe. If we get to the Igwe, you know what it means.
Your late brother's okay, Anayo, we will see.
You have no case with Anayo. You won't do anything. You have no case with Anayo.
Hey! Anayo wants to kill me! Anayo wants to kill me! Anayo wants to kill me! Somebody help! Somebody! Somebody help!
My love,
somebody help! Somebody help! Anayo, what have I done to you? Why do you want to kill me? What have I done to you? Anayo, you will kill me. Leave me alone. You will kill me. Anayo, please leave me alone. You will kill me. You will kill me. You will kill me. Anayo, leave me now. Leave me alone. You will kill me. If you say anything.
Okay.
Anayo, leave me alone. No. People help me out. Somebody help. Help.
My father has started beating my mother again. My father has started beating my mother again. No. I have to go and call somebody to help her. Help! Somebody help!
Wait for me, I'm coming.
Sorry. Okay. I will never.
Anayo, what have I done to you? You want to kill me?
I will never.
Oh, how they pity, how they cry. They don't know it's all a lie. Behind the mask, she hides her shame. Her husband's drowning in her game.
My father wants to kill my mother.
What happened?
I think they both want to kill each other. I overheard them shouting. I think my father wants to kill my mother. No, they want...
Who is shouting the most?
Your father or your mother?
My mother. No, it's my father. No, it's both of them. They want to kill each other. Please, please. Can't save my mother for me.
Okay, just go to my hut and sit and wait for me. Don't come out, just stay there. Let me go and know what is going on. You know, go.
My mother.
Hey, giving this. Okay.
But she is deceitful. No one there.
Anna, you come out here and face us. We are here waiting for you.
Come out here, you wicked man. What have your wife done to deserve all this humiliation? Come on.
Look at what you did to Mama.
Anna, you come out.
Imagine what he did to someone's daughter. Huh?
As if he's fighting a fellow man.
He wants to kill me.
Ask me.
Shameless man! Why are you hiding? You better come outside and answer to us. Enough is enough in this community. Come out, oh! Anaya wants to kill me. He wants to kill me. This is what he does to me every day. I've tried to endure, but I don't know what else to do. I don't know what to do. No need to wait for him because he will never come out. Just go. I will manage. I've been enduring for years. I'll keep enduring.
He must come out here and meet us.
Manage what?
Hi. We are going to deal with this once and for all.
Just go. I will be fine.
You better come out, oh!
Come out and face us! He will not come out. You people should just go.
Anaya!
I'll be fine.
He's coming out. Come out here and meet us. Look at. Come out.
Chibundo, we, elders of Eziama Kingdom, summoned you here to let you know that we cannot ignore what you did. For you, an Eziama woman, laying your hands on your husband is unacceptable, of which we will not take lightly.
Indeed, such behavior must be met with some punishment. And clearing of the stream and sweeping of the marketplace alone for 1 whole month is the least you can get.
That is our decision.
And if you don't comply, we will have no choice than to report you to the king.
And Igwe's decision will be far worse. And you are to learn lesson from this, that our women are meant to be submissive and not otherwise, and that they dare not lay their hands on any titled man of Eziama. It is a taboo.
I have heard you. And as for the punishment, I will carry it out diligently.
Oh, how they pity, how they cry, they don't know.
Wow. Such a stubborn lady. Did she just walk out on us like that?
You saw it. Maybe we would have added sweeping the village square
to her punishment.
To her punishment.
Yes.
So you mean she has been the one humiliating her husband all this time? And she kept doing everything.
Didn't I? I told you and you were doubting it. And we almost punished the wrong person.
Hey! But Anayo is a good man. Who could possibly drive Chibunju to act like this?
You think there's a reason? There's no reason. A bad person is a bad person, please.
There must be a reason. Because there is no smoke without fire.
Hey! Then you try to figure out where the smoke is coming from. Yes. In my wildest dream, I wouldn't have believed that Chibundu could stoop so low. When you're done figuring out where the smoke is coming from, you know my happiness. Yes, that we all got to see the truth. And the men, they've decided to handle her. Yes. So, I am out of here. I'm so happy.
Shocked. I don't think there's any one of you here that's as shocked as myself. Because Ekemma has warned me severally. She kept telling me about this, but never did I imagine that Chibundu could stoop so low to play the victim.
How amazing. And I was even the person that went to call the elders.
Hey, even amazing. She carries herself like, hey.
How are you, Chibundu?
You witch. What are you doing here?
I came to assist. And that makes me a good one. By the way, nice job.
I do not need your help. So get away.
And if I don't?
I said you should get away.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
I do not need you.
Well, I have come to help you.
I don't need your help. The elders will double my punishment if they find you here. Besides, you caused this.
I know.
It's your fault.
I know, my love. And that is why I am here to do the work. Because, bring it, let me help.
I don't need your help.
Obi, you know that I love you. I don't like...
You cannot Useless man. What is it?
Mother, are you a tigress?
What kind of a question is that?
I overheard some women saying that you're a tigress.
Dana, listen. People, they often call an energetic woman a tigress. It's nothing to worry about.
Some of them say they'll stop their children from playing with me, and I don't know why.
Adama, please, can I just rest? It has been a very hectic afternoon for me.
Okay, Mother.
But can you tell me the names of those women that said that? You don't know their names? Okay, let's go. Let's go.
You fought me because of Chibundu. And now you're here for treatment.
Yeah.
If not for the gods and the love I have for you, I will let your wound get infected.
Please do not let
and it will worsen.
Biko. Emela Gera. Yerumaka, help me out. Please. You know very well there is no way I could say no to Chibundu. Yerumaka. You see all this head, all them can be similar to 10. It seems I'm carrying 10 human's head. Please help me.
Leave that useless woman. You said no. Now see what you're going through. Look at yourself.
Please. I love my beautiful wife.
Okay.
Biko. Ekemma, please. Just help me. I am begging you. Please help me out. You see all this place? Oh, Ishimazala, oh. Ishimazala, oh. Hey. Oh. Hey, whoa. I put that money on Ibudu.
Anayo.
Mother, you're back.
Madam.
Welcome.
Thank you. Where is your father?
He went to Ekemma for treatment.
He went to where?
He said his injury is hot, so he went to Ekemma so she can treat him.
I did not hear you clearly. He went to Ekemma.
Mother, do you ever get tired? Mother.
The nights were cold, but I didn't see.
Hey! Don't worry, you be. Stay away from my husband. Leave him alone. Stay away. I will not warn you again, oh. I will not warn you. This is not the time for this. Stop being stubborn. You say he's weak. Eh? Just stop it. He's weak and so what? Are you his savior? If he needs treatment, I will take him to where he'll be treated. Respect yourself and stay away from us. I won't warn you again, oh. Anayo! Come from there! Take it easy on him. He's still receiving treatment. See, you are not ashamed of yourself. Shameless woman. I will not warn you again because the next time I come back to this, you're hot. You will not imagine it. You will not believe it. Stay away from us. Stay away. Do not come close to my husband again. This is my last warning to you. You've left me.
Don't worry, you'll be okay.
Thank you, my daughter.
Do you need anything so I can get it for you?
Yes. I need water. You go. Water.
Sorry. Sorry. Don't worry, rest, you'll be okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Ay! Oh. Hey, what did you do? What did you do?
The Igwe has decreed that every village must contribute to the community new roads project. He said that it's a great plan to link us with the neighboring communities, thereby making trade routes smoother. What do you think?
I agree with Igwe's vision. But how are we going to divide the contributions fairly, knowing that some of us can hardly keep up with our daily needs? Because times are hard.
Yes, I share with Omenka's concern. Maybe we should set fair amount depending on each village resources. By that, no one will have much to handle.
I believe that Igwe is aware the Ife Ike. Igwe must be aware before making this decree. Huh? But meanwhile, I'll still talk to him. I'll get back to Igwe and tell him our opinions. Maybe, but I believe he must be aware. Huh? Please do. I will. I have to. Anayo, you've been quiet. Are you not saying anything?
I concur.
You concur? Yes. Anayo.
You concur. Nothing to contribute.
Please, let him be. Let him be. After all, forcing him to say something, it will not change anything.
His opinion matters. Anayo, I expected that you contribute. Make your own contribution.
There is no problem. I concur.
We need to know your mind. Just say something. Anything.
I am okay with whatever decision you guys had.
I concur.
Wait. Why are you running? Come here. Come here. Wait for me. Come on, sit down. Come on, sit down. Let me tell you one story about the tortoise.
Tortoise is a very cunning and funny animal. We call it Mbe.
Adama.
What did I say?
Please put water for me to bath.
Okay, mother, I'm coming. Father, continue.
You need to go and help your mother. Come back, then we'll
Just
continue.
say this story.
What is it?
Stand up from there.
What's your problem? No, what is your problem? Hey, this woman! What is your problem? Because I have been quiet. Huh? Are you mad? Don't you ever lay your hand on this child in my presence again. The next time you will try this nonsense, in as much as I love you, does not mean that I am a weak man.
Anayo, did you touch me? Am I the one you're dragging like that? Me? Eh?
My daughter, come. What is it? What?
My back.
Your back. Okay. The back is sorry.
Anyway. Any woman that hits her husband with a pestle does not deserve to stay in this kingdom.
Chachari. Exactly.
For that reason, you must go and never return to this kingdom. Because any day you step your feet in this kingdom, you will live to regret it. Bam!
Yes.
Ajawani.
Chibundi meraru. Igala. Chibundi meraru. Igala. Chibundi meraru. Igala. Chibundi meraru. Igala.
Please, noble men of Eziama Kingdom, I am begging you people to allow my wife, Chibundo, to come back to my house. I know and understand that she has committed a terrible act which is not allowed in our kingdom here. Manabikono. I am now begging on behalf of her. Anayo, if I say Anayo, you are from this community. You know the rules. Am I supposed to be telling you? You know the rules. For a woman of Eziama to raise a pestle against a fellow human being You know it's a grievous offense. Not to talk of when she raises it against her own husband. You know what it means? It's more grievous offense. It's like alo, it's like abomination. They're supposed to be telling you all this. My brothers, I know and understand all this you are saying now. Manabikuno, what am I going to do to satisfy this particular act? Because no one, please. Yes.
Okay. I'll tell you. You are going to bring one goat. Hey. A hefty one. A very big goat. Then you bring 10 big tubers of yam. Then oji nzabambo. Then 8 kola nuts. 8 nzabambo. 1 jar of palm wine. Then you bring okuko. He and she fowl. Then when you have brought all this before this, we are going to tell you how it will be. We then consider her coming back to this community. And again, you have to go and meet the women. You know, they have their own rules. That is it now. We are not the one that made the laws.
They have their own conditions.
We met it here. You are from this community.
I've heard all you said.
Hey! I
understand. Okay, I will go.
Okay.
Let me just go and prepare myself. Or you people will hear from me.
We know what you can do.
They won't know that job.
No problem. Good.
No.
Yes.
Okay. Uno sing kurata. Okay. Beautiful women of Ekemma Kingdom.
Hi.
I am here to beg for your forgiveness and permission to bring back my beautiful wife, Chibundo, to my heart. Like I said, I know very well that she has committed a terrible and abominable act. Mana Bikono, I believe by now she must have come back to her senses. Bikono, I have already settled with the men. Bikono, please, I am begging you to forgive her.
Odema, here are our own conditions. She must publicly apologize and vow never to go back to her old self when she comes back.
I concur to that.
And you must provide us with 10 tubers of yams. Okoka abuo.
That is it.
And the same number of brooms that we swept her out of this community with.
Exactly.
Okay. There is no problem. Let me go home and put myself together as a man. You will hear from me.
So what do you
Dalun.
Dalun.
You have always been a great and hard-working woman. My dearest wife of Anayo Anyavuluk of Ekemma Kingdom. I have come to take you back to my heart. I have already settled with every items requires from the kingdom. But before taking you home, I need you to give me the reason you have been tormenting me you to tell me why you have been doing that.
The truth is, I don't hate you. I have been hurting ever since my father killed my mom. She suffered. She really suffered before she died. I told you that she fell ill and died, but that was not true. My father beat her to death. I was consumed with pain. I allowed the bitterness get a better part of me. I'm sorry for letting it out on you. I'm truly sorry.
Chibundo, I understand that pains can make us do things we do not want to do. But we must learn how to control our emotions. I have forgiven you as my beautiful wife. Forgive yourself and come back to my house. Myself and the people of Eziama Kingdom are ready to accept you back.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I am truly sorry for everything. And I'm ready to make things right. I promise.
You're welcome.
I was so blind, lost in my pride. I've never...
I really miss you.
I've missed you too.
Let us go back to your mother's hut so they can pick your things.
Your love, despite my flaws, oh, because
Please, my fellow women, I know that I have wronged each and every one of you. I have brought shame to you. But I'm sorry. It wasn't intentional. I have dishonored my own husband. Please forgive me. Henceforth, I will respect, love, and be submissive to my husband. I beg all of you. I'm sorry. Forgive me.
The women of Eziama are known for being the backbone and support to their husbands, not combat partners. And we must not stray from it. You have been forgiven.
Yes.
You may rise, please.
Yes.
We forgive you.
Thank you. One more request.
Okay, what is it?
Please. People should tell Ekemma here to leave my husband alone. Tell her to leave my husband alone. Bikon.
Then Ekemma should please respect herself and stay away from Anayo.
Hapunu di madaka. Nka kwa no husband snatcher. Ha! Lekpano.
Why is enough? It's enough. Chibundu here just returned. Let's leave this matter for another time.
Some other time.
People should tell her.
Oh, I'm here now with a humble soul. I pray you take me back and make me whole. Oh, because my Messiah.
My beautiful wife. How was your today meeting with the women of Eziama Kingdom?
It was great. They have forgiven me and they also accepted me back.
Thanks to the gods.
Please come.
The worlds are built between you and me. Oh, now I look back, I see my flaws. All the times I caused your heart to break. I thought I was right, but I was wrong. My love for you was weak, but now it is strong. Oh, I'm here now with a humble soul. I pray you take me back and make me whole. Oh, because Mama, see your son. For all the things I've done to you, I plead your mercy. Mama, see your son. Because Mama, see your son.